Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute Halloween t-shirts. I've been dying to use this glow-in-the-dark vinyl, so let's just jump right into it. Import the file into CRICUT Design Space. Each design has a white, black, and glow-in-the-dark layer of vinyl. If you just want to use black and glow-in-the-dark or white, you can go ahead and weld the white and glow-in-the-dark layers together. There are just a few changes I made after I imported the file that I want to show you. For Baddie for Mommy, I ungrouped them and then I attached all the text layers together, which are the white layers. Then I selected all the black layers and I attached them together. And then lastly, I attached all the glow-in-the-dark layers, which are the light green layers, together. Finally, to clean up my layers, I just grouped all three layers together. I wish the app would let you rename the layers, but I digress. Next is the Baddie Ghost. The same as before, I'm going to select all the white layers together and attach them, all the black layers and attach them, and all the glow-in-the-dark light green layers, and I'm going to attach them. And then finally, to clean up my layers, I'm going to group them together. So for the pumpkin design, follow the same steps as before. Select all the white layers and attach them, all the black layers, attach them, and all the glow-in-the-dark layers and attach them. The pumpkin eyes, nose, and mouth can be simplified. If you wanted to have them all white or glow-in-the-dark, you can weld these layers together. And then finally, just to clean up your layers, you can select all three layers and group them together. When you're ready to cut, make sure you have the mirror toggle selected. Then use the iron-on setting for all three designs. Place the shiny side of the film face down on the cutting mat. After your design is cut, weed the vinyl by removing all the negative or unwanted vinyl from the film using a weeding hook or similar tool. Next, turn the EasyPress on and set the setting to 305 Fahrenheit and 15 seconds. While it's warming up, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the bell to get notifications later on. Great, thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. To find the center of the shirt, what I like to do is place a ruler on the shirt and then divide the measurement in half and place pins on the shirt to mark where the center is. To find the center of the design, I like to fold the vinyl and pinch the top and the bottom to create a crease. And then I line up that crease with the pins that are on the shirt. I like to place a sheet of Teflon between the vinyl and the iron, and then once I set the iron down, I press the CRICUT button to start the countdown. Then to layer it, I just match up the next layer to the shirt. And then again, I use a layer of Teflon between the iron and the vinyl. So all these shirts will be done just like the one before. So for the bat, I'd like to find the center of the shirt, place the black vinyl layer down first, then I did the white vinyl, and then finally I did the glow-in-the-dark vinyl. So for the pumpkin, it's the same as the ghost and the bat. You're going to find the center of the shirt and the center of the design, and then iron that with a sheet of Teflon between the iron and the vinyl. And then press the CRICUT button to count down. Once it beeps, take the iron off and take the Teflon off, and then once the vinyl cools, you can peel back the film and then continue with your next layer. The only difference with the pumpkin, I was able to do the glow in the dark with the black layer because it didn't interfere. However, the eyes, nose, and mouth were all in the same section, so that had to be layered. And if you didn't want so many layers there, you can definitely weld, like I mentioned before, the white and the glow in the dark just to make it one layer, and you can either use white or the glow in the dark vinyl for that. So there you have it, 3 different designs with glow in the dark vinyl. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you next time. Until then, bye bye.